Hi, I'm Catherine from KNDMAX. I've been working here for 16 years. We are leading professional manufacturer of wood chipper, log stabilizer, and mini diapers from China. It's my pleasure to introduce this gasoline wood chipper for you. This is a large size feeding bucket. This is the emergency stop lever, and this is the belt cover, and this is engine. This is the off-road tires. This is the adjustable deflector, and this is the supporter frame. This is the safety chain. This is the cupola hitch. And this is the engine. We have different brands for choice. This is the nickel start. If you are interested, contact us.